Hello all, this is my demonstration from my action plan. The title is Ridley Block Operations New Item Request Form. The objective today is to demonstrate the process for a self-fed supplement to be formulated and priced by our nutritional formulations department. My strategy is to illustrate the proper procedure for a new self-fed supplement or an updated formula for a current self-fed supplement through our system. My activities are going to show you how this process is done, and our evaluation is going to be how well do we understand me putting it in, and is it going to be a successful submission. So let me start with those steps. This goes through our system called the farm. The first thing I will go to is called departments. From there, I work for Ridley Block Operations. I'm going to choose that. From there, I'm going to go Ridley Block Operations Item Request. From there, it's going to say New Item. Even though what I'm looking at today is an existing item that we're going to have formulated at a new plant location, we always click on New Item. So from there, we start with Item Request Form. If I scroll down just a little bit, I can pick, is this an order pending new item? It is an order pending, but it's not a new item. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be a price only item. From there, we have to pick where are we going to request this product from. For my current distributor in Mississippi, they pick up in Montgomery, Alabama. So that's the plant we're going to click on. Secondly, the attachments for this product, as in a label, as in other specifications, I can add here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is going to be a fly control with Raybon mineral. And then I'm going to attach. Let me speak a little further on why we have to pick what location this is going to. That's going to make the ingredient cost pull up in our formulations from that particular inventory and particular production cost. Do I need a mock label? As this is already an existing product, I do not need a mock label for the customer to sign off on. The requester is going to be myself. The customer name, I have a drop-down box. It's going to be BWI. That's my customer here. For the product name, I already have this product pulled up on another screen, and I'm going to do a copy and paste just for the product name and the product number. It's going to be fly control with Raybon mineral. The product number is 43113. Then I get to pick which form. We manufacture several different types of forms of products at our plants. This is going to be a meal. Is it going to be a free choice mineral or a mixing mineral? Based on this is a Raybon mineral, it's going to be a mixing mineral based on the animal weight. They need to mix it with something else. The package information is going to be, it's going to be in a 50-pound bag. The category we can pick is going to be beef. The animal weight, for our formulation purposes, we always put in normally 1,000 pounds for animal weight. The feeding rate, since it is a chart based on this product here regarding directions, I am going to put please see directions on attached label. This is another question that's next that has to be answered. It doesn't really pertain to minerals, but on some of our tubs we do use feather meal as a protein source. So is animal protein going to be allowed in this mineral? And I'm going to say no. From there, I have either from the specs from the customer or a current label. I need to fill in these nutrients just to make it easier for the formulations department. So calcium levels are going to be 18.4 minimum to 22% max. Phos is going to be 2%. Salt minimum is going to be 20%. Salt maximum is going to be 24%. Magnesium is going to be 4%. Copper, we have the ability to choose either organic sources or inorganic sources. This particular formula has inorganic copper at 200 parts per million. It has inorganic manganese at 900 parts per million. It has inorganic selenium at 18 and has inorganic zinc at 550. From there, it goes to the vitamins required. Vitamin A is going to be at 50,000 IUs. Vitamin D is going to be at 5,000 IUs. And vitamin E is going to be at 5 IUs per pound. This product does not have any additional ingredients or nutrient levels, but if it did, this is where we would enter those products and levels to the right. The medicament in this is going to be the Raybon. We have a drop-down box where is already populated, and this is going to be Raybon Retail, as this is going to go into products sold through retail dealer stores. From there, it's going to ask what states does this product have to be registered in. For my distributor, it's going to have to be Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. It gives us several different ways we can enter this product: grams per ton, milligrams per pound, pounds per ton, and percentage. This is already expressed as a percentage of 0.494% in the formula. From there, we go to special requirements, notes, price range, etc. In this, I'll put please see attached, label, and formulate for my distributor in Mississippi at the Montgomery plant. From there, I go back up to review everything. My attachment is there for the actual product. Everything is filled out that I have a question on, or that will be transferred to our nutritional department in Minnesota. And from here, I can either save, I could submit, or I can cancel. I'm going to hit, normally I would hit submit, but I have already formulated this and done this product a few days ago for my customer, so I'm just going to hit cancel. From there, I'm going to show you what happens after the fact. So a few days after I submitted it, I got an email from Taylor in Formulations. It says, Kevin, this 43113 Stockade Fly Control with Raybon would price $653 a ton FOB from Montgomery for BWI. So from there, I will send to my customer, give him the price. He's now able to order this product, and it is set up at our Montgomery plant for production. So that's the process of my demonstration. I hope it was helpful for everyone, and thank you for your attention.